today, buddy.
Who
you think? Y'all supposed to locked up twice.
I'm not worried about that. That nigga in the way.
Okay. I want to see. Can we see it today?
Probably not.
Goose and Boost? You gonna Goose and Boost again?
Why the fuck I'm gonna come all the way to the Super Bowl? The run nigga ain't even made the playoff.
He ain't made the playoff?
That nigga ain't made the playoff.
Lord have mercy.
Damn.
You get nasty on here. You a nasty motherfucker regardless though, ain't you? I'm gonna get with you, bro.
Hey. But for real though, he didn't.
He didn't make the playoffs.
Then
so
we had the Super Bowl. And a nigga who didn't even make the playoff want me to race him.
I'm gonna go talk to him. I'm gonna get his side of the story.
And when he started talking to me, hey man, he gonna show how it goes.
He gonna show how it goes. All right, I got you. Hey, I got to talk to you. We gonna step to the side. Fuck that water. We gonna step to the side. You got to defend yourself now.
What happened?
MJ talking shit on my camera, so you got to come back.
Let's get it. Let's lock it in. Let's get it.
MJ said, and I ain't trying to embarrass you or talk shit, but I'm just gonna relay the message. He said, how could a man that ain't make it to the playoffs try to run him at the Super Bowl?
How we been with supposed to run at the last race.
Exactly. Same thing I said. Then I tell MJ, I said, you got to defend.
He pulled up to the show, saying he went on his brother to bring a car part.
I got that on, y'all seen it on my video. I can't put the link in the description.
And 2 days ago, he said he was waiting on a spark plug. No, not spark plug, but what did he say? He said some other bullshit the other day, bro. He got 2 excuses, bro.
2 excuses. Well, he here, he ready.
He can get it. I'm waiting on him.
Ready.
I already told the whole Donk gang that he can't race nobody until he race me. There ain't nobody in the Donk gang gonna race until he race me.
Well, y'all heard it. 7 Trey, he out here. Carolina is in the building. Been out here all weekend. Yep. I told him, I said, I'm going to go. I said, I'm going to find him. He going to defend himself. Cause we going to.
And he going up there too. First it was a car part, and 2 days ago he said he was waiting on fuel. So at the show it was car part, then 2 days on Instagram it was fuel. So which lie is it? Was you waiting on the car part or was you waiting on fuel, nigga?
What kind of special shit MJ run?
He can't make up his mind.
This a mechanic. What kind of fuel you gotta wait on?
They got fuel at the show.
Well, it was spark plugs at first.
We got past spark plug part. I want to go get on this fuel now.
Fuel that he said he was waiting on. Remember 2 days on Instagram he said he was waiting on fuel?
Yeah, I don't know if you ran ethanol. He should have made it.
We got hella ethanol. He got so many excuses.
Basically what he said, if you need E85 or something, he'll loan you some. Get on your motherfucking ass. All right, y'all got the exclusive, so I got both sides. I do it for 20.
That ain't name part of some nice first bang.
Somebody just fucking failed.
Why though? Why? I like you, Jeff. You ain't got no choice.
Goddamn car, they still put bus links on them.
I'm sending you this.
I already got it, nigga.
No, you ain't got.
Ridez gave it to me.
Oh, okay.
I got it.
Okay. Hey, I see y'all. Big W, 3 buses. Something happened. Let out at the 3:30 and let that bitch ride on through with 3 buses. I see you niggas after my birthday, March 24th. I'm coming bigger, coming harder. North Carolina, stand up, man. NBA racing, man. Y'all see what the fuck? fuck going on, man.
Hey, that's a hell of a way to end it, goddammit.
In the season
That's a hell of a fucking way to end it. Proud of you.
Thanks, bro.
Proud of you.
It's a Bunny Boy beat.